Sometimes the deepest truths are the ones hiding inside us, within our cells, written across our DNA, waiting patiently for someone curious enough to read them. For years, scientists thought they had already mapped the human genome, but this November, a quiet headline told us otherwise. A global research team announced the first clinical study using Hi-Fi long-read sequencing, and among them were scientists from Taiwan. Traditional DNA sequencing has always been like reading through fog. You can see the words, but the sentences blur and the meaning slips away. Short-read sequencing only captures fragments of the genetic story, pages torn out, lines misplaced, entire chapters missing. Hi-Fi sequencing changed that. Developed by PacBio, this technology reads DNA in long, continuous strands, over 20,000 bases at a time, with 99.9% accuracy. It's not just a technical milestone, it's a philosophical one. For the first time, scientists can observe the entire genetic narrative, the typos, the omissions, the hidden codes behind hereditary diseases. Taiwan's contribution to the study stands out. Local researchers handled parts of the Asian genome dataset, developing algorithms to detect subtle variations in the long-read data. Their work turned this technology from concept to clinical reality, offering new hope for diagnosing rare disorders, tracing hereditary cancers, and understanding the true blueprint of life. This achievement didn't happen overnight. It took nearly 2 decades of persistence. For years, biologists claimed the human genome was complete. Then Hi-Fi sequencing arrived and revealed that 8% of our DNA had never been truly read. That missing 8% was the dark matter of biology, the uncharted territory that still held the keys to who we are. As Galileo said 4 centuries ago, all truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. In science, discovery means patience. It means debugging endless lines of code, rechecking failed runs, and returning to the same data set with new eyes. Progress isn't born from eureka moments. It's built on repetition, revision, and resilience. In an era flooded with quick answers and viral facts, the scientists behind Hi-Fi sequencing remind us of something deeper. Truth doesn't shout. It reveals itself quietly, one base pair at a time. For Taiwan, participation in this milestone isn't just about technology. It's about reaffirming a spirit, the courage to keep digging until the unknown begins to speak. Action points 1. In your own work, note what you don't yet understand. Those gaps are your next discoveries. 2. Embrace the details. Every small correction is a doorway to comprehension. 3. Encourage questions that feel wrong. They often lead to new insight. We are all part of a story older than humanity itself. Every discovery is a light turned on in that vast, unfinished room. Truth has never been hard to understand. It just needs someone brave enough to find it.